Hello everyone. Today's date is 22nd March 2022. Myself Kalpesh Badani, and today's video topic is tree map. Tree map, it is a part of the collection framework. So now we will discuss the hierarchy of map interface. Map is a store the object in the key value pair format. Means we store the value in a key as well as it have one value. So in map we are stored the value in key value pair format, and its hierarchy is now we will discuss its hierarchy, map hierarchy. Map is an interface. It extends the hash map, and hash map it have child property, that is a linked hash map, and next is a weaked hash map, identity hash map, and these are child entropy and child classes of this map interface. After that, map interface it implement the set interface. Set interface it have a child entropy, that is a navigable map. It have child entropy and it extend the child class, that is a tree map, and after that it have one interface, that is a hash table. Now we will discuss the tree map. If you want to the representative object where duplicates are not allowed and insertion order not preserved, then you should go for the tree map. In tree map, if you want to the represent the our objects as a sorting order, then you should go for the tree map. In a tree map, it have some points, that is in a tree map duplicates are not allowed, null insertion is possible only for one time, and in tree map duplicates are not allowed, insertion order cannot be preserved, and in tree map heterogeneous objects are also not allowed. So now we will discuss the tree map constructors. There are some constructors are used in tree map interface, tree map class. So first its constructor is a tree map t equal to new tree map. It is a simple constructor. And second is a tree map t equal to new tree map in parenthesis sorted map yes is the object of this class. Next is a tree map t equal to tree map t equal to new tree map in parenthesis collection C. So using this constructor we can store the multiple collection objects. Next is a tree map methods. So a lot of methods are used in the tree map interface. The first method is add method, not add method. Add method. In add method we can add the key as well as we add the value. Its example is we can say the country code, RTO number. Means if you want to add the some numbers like M12, MS12, so we can say the MS12 is its identity is Pune. So lot of elements we can add this by using this add method. Next is the get method. Using this get method we can get the key as well as we can also get the value. Next is the set method. Using we can say the set method is also known as a replace method. So we can add the or we can replace the some value or keys using this method. So that's all about today's video topic, that is a tree map. So thank you.